Welcome to Vijay Info channel. Today I would like to share information about best Ayurvedic medicine for immunity booster to prevent us from COVID-19. First thing is Kabasura Kudineer and second one is Nilavembu Kudineer. Everybody knows that Kava means Kavam, Vadam, Pittam and Suram represent fever. Kudineer means decantation based drink. It is a Tamil word. You may take once in a day for at least 3 days. No need to take often. If you are staying at Tamil Nadu, easily to buy it at any Siddha and Ayurvedic medical shop. It's like called Natu Marundu Kadai. So you can buy it from anything else. Otherwise you can buy it from Ayush Care online shopping also. So easily available that. So you can buy it from that. Okay, let's see how to prepare it. Take 5 gram of Churanam and add 1 cup of glass around 300 ml water. So let to boil and reduce water up to 30 ml. After 10 minutes it will be reduced up to 30 ml. That means 10% of water what you take in that in 1 glass of water. So this is the Churanam. I will open that pack. So a lot of herbals mixed in with it. So dried herbals. So this is the bag. This is enough for whole family. I think we can use for around 1 year also. We can use it, no problem. So water is boiled now. I'm going to add around 5 grams. A small spoon. Slightly mix it with the water. So now let to boil 10 to 15 minutes. It will take some time. After 10 minutes, I will show to you. Gradually, you have to mix it, and don't forget to put it in a medium flame or high flame mode. So now it's boiling now. Okay, we got the decantation. This is a purely decantation. So around 10% of water. Now we got decantation. Filter this decantation properly. Kabasura Kudineer is ready. Try to drink it directly into an empty stomach. It's very bitter taste, so don't add sugar because already taste it. It's very bitter taste, so don't add any sugar and sweetness. Try to directly drink it. It's very healthful. It's very healthy. If you want to bear bitter taste, take some honey in your tongue. This one more thing is Nilavembu Kudineer. Nilavembu Kudineer also same preparation. Already mentioned that how to prepare it. So follow that instruction. You can make it home. So forward these videos to your friends and family. It's very useful. So really it's very effective medicine to prevent coronavirus and dengue fever also. Try this. Thank you so much.
YouTube search la Vijay Info nu type பண்ணுங்க. எங்க Vijay Info channel open ஆகும். அதுல red color subscribe button click பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்துலயே இருக்கிற bell button click பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க பார்க்குற எங்க வீடியோ கீழேயும் subscribe button click பண்ணலாம். மறக்காம bell button click பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.